Are you ready, children, to sing this poem? Okay, what is the name of this poem? Sea Song. So let's go to sea. When I will sing this poem, definitely you will feel that you are at the sea. And first of all, listen to me and then you also try to sing. Okay, children? I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Roo, 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 roo. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear. And from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. Roo, 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 roo. I was surprised, I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you'd find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. Roo, 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 roo. You like children? Right? So you will also try to sing this poem like me. Okay, now let's get ready for the explanation with the colorful pictures. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. You can see this picture. One boy is standing near the sea, okay, on the sand. And what he is finding? He found a shell. You can see in his hand there is a shell. You can see the boy in the boy's hand, that is called shell. So this boy found a shell. Okay, and what is the shape of the shell? Okay, shape is curly. What is the shape of the shell? Curly. Okay, curly shape means little bit, you can see in his hand, little bit curly like our hair. And it was lying on the sand. And so the boy saw that and he found that shell. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Now what happened? The boy picked it up and took it at his home. And what happened? It was very cold. And what was cold? The shell. And when he picked it up and kept it in his hand, so the boy is feeling, the shell is very cold. Means because why it was very cold? Because it was lying on the beach sand, right? It was on the sea sand, so it was very cold. Mummy took at it and then she held it to my ear. Now what happened? When his mother is seeing that he has one shell, so what the mother is doing? Mother is keeping on his mother held it and keep it on his ear. Okay, you can see in this picture, mother is holding it and keeping on its ear. Whose ear? The boy's ear. See, and the boy is hearing the sound. Boy is trying to hear the sound. What mother wants to tell him. Okay, mother wants to tell him that which kind of sound is coming out from the shell. And from the shell there came a song. Now what he can listen from the shell? There is a song. Whatever sound is coming out from the shell, so the boy is thinking the song is coming out from the shell. There is no singer inside the shell. No one is singing from inside, but some sound is coming out from the shell. So the mother is trying to learn him that which kind of sound is coming out from the shell. So mother is keeping on his ear and trying to tell him that which kind of sound is coming out from the shell. The boy is thinking the song is coming out. A song is coming out, so the boy can hear the song, but there is no song, but just sound is coming out from the shell. Soft and sweet and clear. So which kind of sound he can hear? Very soft, very sweet and clear. Very clearly he can hear the soft and sweet song from the shell. Soft and sweet sound from the shell. I was surprised, I listened hard, but it was really true. First of all, when the mother is keeping shell on near his ears, so he was surprised because some sound is coming out and it was very clear and soft. So he was very surprised that how can it possible from the shell the sound is coming out? Who is singing song from the inside? So he was shocked and he listened hard, means very carefully he is listening that who is singing from inside, how the sound is coming from inside. This is just shell, and who is singing from inside, how I can hear the song from the shell. So he was surprised and trying to listen hard, trying to listen it carefully and very clearly. But it was really true, the sound is coming out from the shell. Mother knew it, that is why she wants to explain explain to her son that see and try to listen the sound from the shell. I wish you'd find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. Because mother wish that you also sing it. And now the boy is wishing what? That it is very small shell. Maybe I can found big shell, so and hear it singing too. So then after what will happen? That who is singing from the shell? So now he is thinking, he is wishing that now I have to found a big shell. So what will happen? Who is singing from the shell? That also I can find. Right now only I can hear the sing. I can hear the sound. I can hear the song only. But I want to found that who is singing this. So that I can found only, I can see that I can hear how, like if I will found the big shell. If I will found the big shell, so I can see who is singing from the shell, who is inside, who is singing in the from the shell. So that I can found, only I can found when the big shell, then I can see and I can understand. Thank you, students.
Children, have you enjoyed the video? Yes, and you also you have to sing the same poem in the same rhythm, right? So you will learn very nicely and you will get impressed because you will sing that poem. So definitely you will love it. Okay? Now let's learn some spellings of this poem. So simultaneously you will also speak with me. Okay, children? S-A-N-D, sand. C-U-R-L-Y, curly. L-Y-I-N-G, line. S-O-F-T, soft. S-H-E-L-L, shell. P-I-C-K-E-D, picked. C-O-L-D, cold. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. M-U-M-M-Y, mummy. L-O-O-K-E-D, looked. S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. C-L-E-A-R, clear. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised. L-I-S-T-E-N-E-D, True, true. Find, find. NICE, nice. HELD, held. Children, when you are speaking these spellings, suppose for example, picked, looked and listened. Okay? ED spellings. So how you have to, you can't speak picked. Okay? You have to speak picked. Okay? Here you can't speak looked. Looked. Okay? You have to speak looked. Here you can't speak listened. No, you have to speak listen. Okay? So D should be very carefully you have to speak. Now let's see the next exercise. Now in this exercise you have to find rhyming words from this line. Okay? In your page number 35, okay, of your textbook, page number 35, you will get this exercise. So you will find in the box these words also and these words also you will find from the box, and you have to select the correct rhyming word and you have to put in the correct answer. Okay? Now see, the first one is found. You have to match with this word. Found is matching with which word? O-U-N-D. You can see O-U-N-D. So which word have these words? Here O-U-N-D. You can see O-U-N-D. So these both are rhyming words. Okay? You have to find these words like this way. So you will get the answer. Last two letters, last three letters. If there are same of two words, so those are rhyming words. So here found and sound. S-O-U-N-D sound. So here you have to write S-O-U-N-D sound. How many letters are same? O-U-N-D. O-U-N-D. 4 letters are same. So like that way you can find very easily your answers. Now second number, C-O-L-D, cold. Now you have to find O-L-D. So which word have O-L-D letters? These. Okay. O-L-D. Right. So this word is rhyming word of cold. B-O-L-D, bold. So here you have to write B-O-L-D, bold. C. O-L-D, O-L-D. Letters are same. So cold and bold are rhyming words. Now 3 number, took. T-double-O-K, took. Now here you have to find these 3 letters. Double-O-K. So where are double-O-K? Here. Double-O-K. And double-O-K, look is rhyming word of took. And double-O-K. C. Double-O-K, double-O-K, took, look. T-double-O-K, took, and double-O-K, look. These both are rhyming words. Now the fourth one is S-A-N-D, sand. So you have to find A and D. So where are A and D? Here you can see this. A and D. Okay? So H-A-N-D, hand, is rhyming word of sand. So here I will write H-A-N-D, hand. A-N-D. See, these letters are same, right? So sand and hand are rhyming words. Now the final number is M-U-N-N-Y, mummy. Here you have to find U-M-M-Y. So where are U-M-M-Y? Here. U-M-M-Y. So T-U-M-M-Y. Tummy is rhyming word of mummy. So here you can write T-U-M-M-Y. Tummy. Once again, found, sound, cold, bold, took, look, sand, hand, mummy, tummy. Okay, so these are rhyming words, so you can write very easily in your notebook. When you are writing your work in your homework, in your notebook, so you have to write with very nice handwriting. Okay children, so we will meet in our next video. This is part 1 and we will meet in part 2. So till then, stay